friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that what is random Wikipedia article in Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class we will see that what is Reddit bot in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So let's start. Now just first of all you have to open your text editor. Okay, so I am opening my text editor over here, PyCharm. Okay, so here you can see this, my text editor has been opened, and now here I have taken one file which is called inshal.py over here. Okay, so I have given name to my file over here. Okay, and here there are many directories and file which I have already made it. Okay, where because when we are working with our previous projects and topics, so we work with this all files. Okay, so these are in my directories over here. So you can also make directories if you want to of your files. Okay, so I am just, this is my file on desktop over here, it is not in any directory over here. If you want to, so you can keep your files in directory. Okay, so from this your files can be saved and it will be one over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have made it one file over here, and now here just you can also make file from taking your, just you have to click on new. Okay, or if you want to take new project, okay, my project is Inshal Beg over here. If you want to take new project, so just you have to do like just press new project and give your name to your project over here. Okay, so now when you have done that all, you can just take new file from here or just right click on your project over here. Okay, and take new, and then your Python file will be now created. If you want to create HTML file, so you can also do that, but we are working with Python, so you have to create your Python file over here. Okay, and .py is really important over here. You, if you don't get .py over here, it will be automatically your Python file. Okay, because it is all in normally in Python, so because of this your Python file will be automatically generated over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have made it one file over here in inshal.py, and now I will work on it. Okay, so now here you have to do like, just first of all here you have to write, here you have to write like while. Okay, we will start with our while true. Okay, so now just you have to small w over here. Okay, so it will be just like this, here you have to write while and here true, then like this you have to do like this semicolon over here. Okay, so you have to just keep a small w over here. Okay, because if you do it capital, so it will not work over here. Okay, so now just if you do backspace, just space over here. Okay, so now just if you press enter over here. Okay, and now if you do like answer. Okay, so now we will start answer equal to input. Okay, so I hope you all remember this input tag, because we have learned about this many times and we work with it, and I have tell you that input and init has difference between them, and input is input is used for asking for any question or giving any answer, and init is used for like grammarly or in mathematics, like when you are working like on decimals in Python, so init tag used there. Okay, so there are difference between init and input over here. Okay, so you have to also keep the difference between them, because if you make it one, so it will be really difficulty for you and you can't be working really easily, and it will be really errors in your work over here. Okay, and there will be syntax error also here, so you have to just take care of that all. Okay, so now here you can see this answer equal to input. Okay, answer equal to input, and now in this strings we will write like, and now I will write I am Reddit bot. Okay, because we are making one Reddit bot, so I am writing like I am Reddit bot in Python. Okay, so I have written like I am Reddit bot in Python over here. Okay, so now it is asking like I am Reddit bot in Python, do you know? Okay, so it is asking the question from your user. Okay, means who is using it. So it is asking the question from this, like I am using, so it is asking like I am Reddit bot in Python, do you know? Okay, so I don't know that it is a Reddit bot. Okay, if you know, so you can do yes also. Okay, so I will take both of them. When we will work with yes, then we will work with no over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written answer equal to input, I am Reddit bot in Python, do you know? Okay, so now here I have written one question, like I have tell you input is used for questions over here and answer also, so we are using input like I am Reddit bot, so it is a question, so we are using input tag over here. If it was any grammarly, like if we are writing any string tag or any OBS means absolute tag we are writing, so we use init tag over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, we have defined answer tag over here and input with it. Okay, so now just you have to do like this you have to write, and now here you have to define like if answer. Okay, if answer, which will be now dot lower, which will be just brackets over here. Now it will be dot strip, which will be now like that. It will be now just equal yes. Okay, so I have written that all because it will ask like if answer dot lower, then bracket dot strip over here, means that now it is asking like if user give answer yes over here, so what will be Python will say, okay, what Reddit bot will say over here. Okay, so now we will write its clue. Okay, means we will write like what he will say over here. So he will say like good choice, you do really good work over here. Okay, so now I have written this good choice, you do really good work over here. Okay, so now I have written this one sentence over here. Okay, so now when the user will ask like I am Reddit bot, when Reddit bot will ask to you like I am Reddit bot in Python, do you know? Okay, so when we will write yes, so answer will coming like good choice, you do really good work. Okay, so now here like this it will be coming, and I am writing this all sentence really randomly. Okay, if you want to say, you can also take any sentence you want to, it is not only one. Okay, so you can take many others. Okay, so now here when you are writing any question, just you have to write this question mark over here. Okay, so it is really important to write over here, because if you don't write, it will give syntax error, because Python can't understand that it is question or you are giving answer over here. Okay, so you have to just difference between, like when I written answer over here, so I have don't written any question mark. Okay, you can see this, so you also have to just do like that I am doing. But the sentence you can take any you want to, but I am taking just randomly this one sentence over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have defined these all things over here. Now just you have to do like this, come over here, and now here you have to define, first of all just you have to just press enter and press enter over here. Okay, and now here you have to define like answer. Okay, answer which will be equal to input, and you have to write another, like I will write like would you like to become a programmer. Okay, so I am writing just randomly like that, and it is asking, Reddit bot is asking you that do you like to become one programmer. Okay, so obviously you all like to become a programmer, so you will take yes, and then it will giving answer to you over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written these all things over here. So now here you have to do like just you have to press enter over here. Okay, and now when you have done that all, just here you have to define like if answer. Okay, and now it will be equal yes over here, then it will be like that. Okay, just semicolon over here you have to write, then just backspace. Okay, and just enter. So you can see this, we have written if answer with yes. Okay, means if answer will be yes, like you all know, I already share with you and tell you that if answer will be yes, so user will so Reddit bot will say like good choice, you do really good work over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written this all things over here, and now here you have to do like just press enter and backspace. Now here you have to write if, again if answer, which will be equal yes. Okay, because we have also written yes over here. So now we are giving the answer of this question. Okay, we have given answer of this question over here, so now we are giving answer of this question, will you like to become a programmer, yes or no. Okay, and in the and when we are writing this no one, okay, so we will give its we will give its in the end. Okay, so now we will just do like that, and now here you have to do like just if answer, which will be equal to yes, and now when we were working with no, so we will give answer of this early over here. Okay, so later we will give answer here. So now here you can see this, I have first of all we will define yes over here. Okay, so we are defining like if answer equal yes, then press enter over here, and now here you have to define like print. Okay, and now here just you have to do like just write over here, like you have to write over here, just write insert a good choice. Just first of all you have to write you. Okay, so we will write here you insert a good choice over here. Okay, so now I have written this one sentence, when it will giving here like would you like to become a programmer, yes or no, so it will be liking you insert a good choice over here. Okay, so now here you can see I have defined this all, and now when it will give answer. Okay, so now when we are like when we are giving answer of no, so we have to write else tag. Okay, because when we are, like you all know, when we write any if tag over here, so when we are defining another thing with it, so we have to write else tag. Okay, else, which will be now print. Okay, and now in the print here you have to write like invalid choice who don't like to be programmer. Okay, so now like this I have written this. Okay, now here you can see this, I have defined these things, and now when you have done that all, just I hope you understand till here. Okay, and now we are defining till else. Okay, and I hope you all remember this tags if answer yes, because when we are making one adventure game with Python, so we use this all tags. This is like that, but it is not like that, it is different from them. Okay, so just it is asking Reddit bot. Okay, we were make adventure game and we are today making Reddit bot. Okay, so it is really different from each other over here. And now here you can see this, I have defined this else tag over here. Okay, else mean that it will now giving the answer of no. So we have given the answer of no, like invalid choice who don't like to become programmer. Okay, who don't like to become. Okay, just write here become programmer. Now here you can see this, I have written this all things, then press enter. Okay, and now here you have to define, like just write over here answer. Okay, answer which will be equal to input again, and now here you have to write another question which will be like would you like to take help of me when in problem. Okay, so it is asking like would you like to take help of me if you are in problem over here. Okay, so now we will asking like we will write the answer yes. Okay, if you want to, so you can also take yes, or if you want to, so you can also take no. Okay, so we will give answer of both of them over here. Now write here if answer, now we will give answer of this yes, which will be now like that. And now here you have to define, like first of all print tag. Okay, just backspace enter print. Now in this print tag we will write like here you have to write like good choice. Now think like your work is done. Okay, like this I have written. Now here write else. Okay, and write print invalid, I was come over here to help you. Okay, so I am written this all things, so it will give answer like if user will say yes, you can help me, so it will give answer good choice. Now think like your work is done. Now if it will be like it will say no, so it will be saying invalid, I was come over here to help you. Okay, so it is asking like that, it is answering this. Now here just when you have done that all, just first of all here you have to write elif, which will be now just here will be like equal, then it will be yes, oh sorry, it will be no over here because we are giving answer of no, and then here will be now like that. And now till here we have done our work. Now here when you have done that all, just come over here, and now here you have to write this sign over here, and now here write over here like print, and now here it will be like invalid, you do bad choice, this is bad of you. Okay, so I am written this all. Now if you write like else, just write like that, and now just when you have done that all, okay, over here, now just here you have to write like, and now write over here like yes. Okay, and now if you done that all, just come over here and write no, and now if you press enter, so you can see it is working. Now if I do like that and write here else tag and write here print tag, okay, and it will be like that. And now here you have to define like else invalid choice, invalid choice of you. Okay, so like this I have defined. Now here just write another else. Okay, so now here you have to define like break tag. Okay, so I will write break over here. Now just press enter, and now just when you have done that all, just come over here and now write elif. Okay, so now write elif over here. Okay, so I have written just no, and now here when you have done that all things, and now here you have to define like a elif answer. Okay, so now like this I have done over here. Now backspace, and now if you done that all, just come and now write like that, and now here you have to define like else and write print, write you lost. Okay, you choose bad choice over here. Okay, so now like this I have done over here, write break, and now when you have done that all, just if you run over here, so now you can see it is asking like I am Reddit bot in Python, do you know? So I will write yes. Now here you can see this, I will help you to be programmer over here, so I will write yes over here also, and now it's asking like yes, I am happy to help you, would you like to take help of me? So it will asking like I will do yes, and now it is saying thanks, you take good choice over here. Okay, so now if I take no, so it is that's really bad of you. Okay, like this it is giving answer over here, and now no again, so you can see this again it is giving really answer like you. Okay, if you write yes, so it is giving answer like that all. Okay, you can see this if I writing yes, so here you can see this like this it is giving answer. So I hope you understand that how to build one Reddit bot with Python, and I hope you also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So I will meet you in another class. So for today, goodbye.